do it in California? 1. Okay. Did I say LA County? No. How about Kern County? Bakersfield? Yeah? How about?
Maybe.
No, you can. Okay. How about, very quickly, Lake County, Butte County, King County, Tulare County, Fresno County, $10,000. Okay. If you're interested, I'm down in Bellflower. I'm going to give you 1 hour of training, free. No questions, no nothing, buy nothing at all. Okay. We're going to give you 15 steps of how to do a tax sale in your state you tell me you want to do for free. Okay? Because my business is skyrocketing. Okay? We just showed how many properties that we're basically doing here. So if you're interested, call me. My number is 310-418-5495. If you're interested, Sizzler, okay? You buy your lunch, I buy my lunch. Get some education about the tax.